Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So today we're going to talk about something serious because it's going to be all about money. So we're going to talk about savings. Have you noticed that a lot of people out there are going permanently broke? They are always broke. Even those that you see going to work every day, working for extended hours, you see them keep going broke. Do you know why? Because making money is one thing, and knowing how to manage the money that you make is another thing. Those are two different things. Yes. So every time I will find something new, I will share it with you. I will share it with you. So technology made it easier for us nowadays. So if you don't know how to save money, on your own or by yourself, it's simple. You can use one of these multiple applications that you can find out there or on the web. Yeah, there are a lot of applications, and with those applications you can set the automatic withdrawal. So you can even ask your company to make a deposit. So you can ask your company to make a deposit in one of account. To split your payment, to make one deposit in your regular account and another deposit in your saving account or into one of these applications. It's possible. So if you are someone who is not used to saving, I'm not going to ask you to put huge amount of money aside. I know that it's hard. As beginners, just start something like $10, $15 or even $5, but just be consistent. Yes, be consistent. You can start off with something like $15 for something like 3 months straight, and then after those 3 months, go a notch higher. Go from $15 to $20. Sorry. And then after something like 8, 9, or even 10 months, or even a year, or even more than a year, believe me, you will see wonders. You will see wonders. It's possible. It's possible. So I feel so bad when I see some people sending cash out requests, for something like $10, $15, knowing that they are working. They are hardworking people. They work hard. They work for long hours. But why is that they always broke? Because they don't save. And another advantage of saving is what? Is for emergency fund. Let's say you are driving on the highway and your car breaks down. Where are you going to get the money to get your car towed or to get your car service? How? Let's say one of your loved ones has a medical emergency. Where are you going to get the money? If you don't have your own savings, are you going to keep calling your friends to help you? No, I don't think. Even when you go to the bank, to get a loan, you are required, to put something down to make a down payment. So if you don't have nothing, how do you expect the bank, to grant you the loan? It's not possible. It's not possible. So there are so many advantages, of saving money. So you need to save money. So it's not easy. It's not impossible neither. You can do it. If other people did it, it means that we can do it. I did it. It means that you can also do it. It's possible. I'm an immigrant living here in America. A lot of you were born and raised here. It means that you'll be making this money, way long before us. So it's possible. It's possible. Start off again. Let me repeat myself. Start off small. You don't need to start with 500. No, 500. No, even 100. No. Start with something like $10, and make sure that you be consistent, and you will do wonders. We need our savings. Yes. If you do it, believe me, you will stop going broke. So you will stop being viewed by your friend as a bum, because when you ask money to your friend, all the time, they will they will view you as a bum. Yes, they will view you as a bum, even if they don't tell you that. That's not a good picture. So you can follow this advice, and if you have any question, I can ask you. You can ask me. Sorry. Yes, you can ask me, and then we do everything possible, to provide you with the appropriate answer. Okay, thank you.